Hello and welcome to part 2 of our Patient Web Kiosk MacPractice demo. I'm Scott Gardner. If you skip past the intro, I would encourage you to go back and review it now. I cover some important aspects of how the Patient Web Kiosk works, what it can do, and what it cannot do. Okay, let's move on. Here we are in MacPractice EMR. Now the first step is the MacPractice user is going to go into the EMR ability, select the template, and click the plus button to create a new instance of that form for the patient. We will also have to click the checkboxes in the bottom left-hand corner of each section in order to enable that section for access from the Patient Web Kiosk. Now this template has additional sections and hopefully you get the point here. We're going to save that record. Next, the MacPractice user is going to log in to the Patient Web Kiosk admin dashboard. Upon login to the dashboard, the MacPractice user will see a list of all outstanding forms awaiting completion by patients. And here we see a link directly to the form and demographics for each patient. To the far right, there is a send email link. And when we click on that, it'll open a draft email pre-filled to the patient. Now this message is customizable. But basically, we're providing a link to the patient to click on to come back to the Patient Web Kiosk patient login, and indicating that the patient will need to enter in their Social Security number and a specified code that we provide to them. That code is the MacPractice display ID for the patient, but they would not know it if you did not provide it to them. Once the patient receives that email, they click the link and will be brought to the Patient Web Kiosk patient login, where they'll enter in their Social Security number, the code provided to them in the email, and this CAPTCHA, which is designed to prevent brute force attacks where other computers are trying to break into your system through some kind of automation.